Welcome back to Bikes Culture. Today we're taking a close look at the all-new 2026 Suzuki GN 125, a motorcycle that continues Suzuki's tradition of simplicity, reliability, and classic styling. This bike is designed for riders who want a dependable daily machine with a timeless look, and the 2026 model keeps that spirit alive with subtle refinements. At first glance, the 2026 Suzuki GN 125 stays true to its iconic design. The round headlamp, chrome accents, flat seat, and upright riding posture give it a clean retro appearance that never goes out of style. Suzuki hasn't tried to over-modernize this bike, and that's exactly what fans love about it. The paint quality looks premium, and the overall build feels solid, making it suitable for everyday use in both city traffic and longer rides. Powering the GN 125 is a 125cc air-cooled, single-cylinder engine that focuses more on smooth performance and fuel efficiency rather than raw speed. The engine delivers steady power, making it easy to ride for beginners and stress-free for experienced riders. Throttle response is smooth, gear shifts are light, and the engine is well known for its long life and low maintenance requirements. This makes the 2026 GN 125 a very practical choice for daily commuting. Comfort is one of the strongest points of this motorcycle. The upright seating position reduces fatigue, while the wide and well-padded seat allows you to ride longer without discomfort. The suspension handles rough roads and small bumps easily, which is especially useful on city streets. Handling is light and predictable, so maneuvering through traffic feels effortless. Fuel efficiency is another big advantage of the Suzuki GN 125. It's built to save money in the long run, offering excellent mileage and affordable servicing. Spare parts are widely available, and maintenance costs remain low, which is one of the main reasons this bike is popular in many countries. Now let's talk about the price. The 2026 Suzuki GN 125 is expected to be priced around USD $2,200, which roughly converts to 360,000 Pakistani rupees, depending on taxes, import duties, and local dealership pricing. The final price may vary by region, so it's always best to confirm with your nearest Suzuki dealer. Overall, the 2026 Suzuki GN 125 is perfect for daily commuters, students, and riders who appreciate classic design and proven reliability. It may not have advanced electronics or aggressive styling, but it delivers exactly what it promises: comfort, efficiency, and trust. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more motorcycle content right here on Bikes Culture. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video.